we are going to introduce you the Apple 2023 MacBook Pro Laptop with M2 processor. This laptop is designed to deliver high performance and powerful visual displays to meet the demands of heavy computer processing and rich visual reproductions, such as you would need for 3D modeling, professional photography, video editing, or gaming. This Apple Mac laptop comes with a processor called M2 chip. M2 chip is 1.4 times faster than the M1 chip, and up to 6 times faster than the Apple Mac laptops with Intel processors. If you're used to using Windows laptops and are new to Apple Mac laptops, I'd like to explain some of the key differences between their processor systems. The newest Apple Mac laptops use Apple's own M1 or M2 chip, while Windows laptops still use a variety of processors from different manufacturers. Apple's M chips at the same time function as central processing units, or CPUs, and graphics processing units, or GPUs. CPU cores and GPU cores are built inside M chips. The Apple 2023 MacBook Pro M2 laptop we are presenting you today contains 12 CPU cores and 19 GPU cores in its M2 chip. Out of 12 CPU cores, 8 are performance cores, and 4 are efficiency cores. Performance cores are designed to deliver high levels of processing power when computer is performing complex tasks. These cores are optimized for speed and can operate at very high clock speeds to deliver maximum computing performance. Efficiency cores are designed to deliver lower levels of processing power when a computer is performing less demanding tasks, such as browsing the web or checking email. These cores are optimized for power efficiency, allowing a computer to conserve energy and to extend its battery life when performing these less demanding tasks. Each of the performance cores operates at the clock speed of 3.5 GHz. Each of the efficiency cores operates at the clock speed of 2.4 GHz. Along with 12 CPU cores come 12 threads, allowing for efficient parallel computing. Apple's M chips are a complete system on a chip. They include multiple components designed to work together to provide improved computing performance, energy efficiency, and security. Besides CPU and GPU, Apple's M chips include Neural Engine, Secure Enclave, and Unified Memory Architecture. Neural Engine enables machine learning tasks. This is used in image and speech recognition, which require a lot of processing power. The M2 chip of the laptop we are presenting you today comes with 16 cores designated for Neural Engine. With 16 cores in operation, Neural Engine is capable of executing 15.8 trillion operations per second. Secure Enclave is also integrated in the M2 chip. Secure Enclave provides enhanced security for tasks such as encryption and authentication. Unified Memory Architecture inside the M2 chip allows the CPU, GPU, and Neural Engine to share memory. This can help improve performance and reduce energy usage. Apple's M chips use ARM architecture to maximize their performance and minimize power consumption. ARM stands for Advanced RISC Machine and is based on a reduced instruction set computing, or shorter, RISC, design philosophy. Compared to other processor architectures, ARM processors typically have a simpler instruction set and fewer transistors. This allows them to consume less power and generate less heat. This makes them ideal for use in smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices where battery life and heat dissipation are important factors. The recent development of M1 and M2 chips by Apple Labs heavily utilized not only the ARM architecture, but also the advanced semiconductor manufacturing technology, which has shrunk down the size of transistors to 5 nanometers. The smaller transistor size means that more transistors can be packed onto a single chip, leading to increased performance and functionality, as well as up to 30% reduced power consumption compared to previous generations of transistors. The M1 chip was introduced in November 2020 and is still used in a range of Mac laptops. It is based on 5nm transistors and ARM architecture. The M2 chip was introduced in June 2022 and is used in the Apple 2023 MacBook Pro laptop we are presenting you today. The M2 chip is made with the enhanced 5nm technology and contains 20 billion transistors, a 25% increase from the M1 chip. Cache is a small amount of very fast memory that is integrated into the processor chip, allowing it to quickly retrieve data without having to reach to much slower locations, such as the hard drive memory or storage devices. In the configuration of Apple's M2 chips, performance and efficiency cores come with their own set of caches. Performance cores come with L1I cache, with the memory capacity of 192 kilobytes. L1D cache, with the memory capacity of 128 kilobytes. And shared L2 cache, with the 32 megabyte capacity. Efficiency cores come with L1I cache, with the memory capacity of 128 kilobytes. L1D cache, with the memory capacity of 64 kilobytes. And shared L2 cache, with the 4 megabyte capacity. In addition to the set of caches operating for performance cores and efficiency cores, there is also a system-level cache. This system-level cache is also called the L3 cache. The L3 cache is shared among all cores and is designed to improve overall system performance by providing a larger pool of memory that can be accessed by all cores. The system-level cache helps reduce memory latency and increase data throughput, which can lead to faster performance when running multi-threaded applications. In this laptop model, the system-level cache has the capacity of 24 megabytes.
This laptop comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM. One LPDDR5-6400 unified memory stick with 16 gigabytes capacity is already installed. The working memory in this laptop is used by both the CPU and the GPU, thus the term unified memory. Beside its memory capacity expressed in gigabytes, another important characteristic of RAM is its memory speed, which is expressed in the amount of gigabytes of data it can process in 1 second. The memory speed in this laptop is at about 400 gigabytes per second. This laptop comes with a solid-state hard drive with the storage capacity of 1 terabyte. Both the RAM and the SSD can be upgraded at the time of initial purchase of the laptop, but not subsequently. This laptop comes with a 14.2-inch screen and the screen resolution of 3024 by 1964 pixels, which gives you the total number of 5.94 million pixels on the display. With the screen resolution of 254 pixels per inch and the display refresh rate of 120 Hz. You can certainly expect great reproduction of image detail and motion. In this laptop, the Apple's new M2 chip uses some special features to deliver 30% more graphics performance compared to Apple's M1 chip. We will mention here 4 features we find especially amazing. They are Liquid Retina Extreme Dynamic Range Display, ProMotion Technology, Wide Color, P3, Gamut and True Tone Technology. This laptop uses Mini LED backlit Liquid Retina XDR display with Extreme Dynamic Range. Extreme Dynamic Range, or XDR, is a technology that allows for a wider range of brightness and contrast in an image, making it look more realistic and vivid. The contrast ratio is a measure of the difference between the brightest and the darkest parts of an image. A higher contrast ratio means a bigger difference between the lightest and the darkest parts of an image. The XDR technology enables a contrast ratio of 1,000,000 to 1, which means that the brightest parts of an image can be 1,000,000 times brighter than the darkest parts. The XDR technology also enables a brightness of 1,000 nits sustained at full screen, which means that the display can produce 1,000 nits of brightness consistently across the entire screen. This technology also enables a peak brightness of 1,600 nits for HDR, or high dynamic range content, which means that the display can produce even brighter highlights in high dynamic range content. SDR, or standard dynamic range, brightness, is the amount of light that a display can produce for non-HDR content. The XDR technology has a brightness of 500 nits for standard dynamic range content, which is still very bright and can still produce vivid images. ProMotion technology is an adaptive refresh rate technology that is used in modern computer displays. It allows the GPU to adjust the display's refresh rate based on the content being displayed. This means that the refresh rate can be increased for fast-moving content, such as games or videos, and decreased for static content, such as images or text. This results in smoother and more fluid motion, reduced input lag, and improved battery life. With the ProMotion technology, a graphics processor can support adaptive refresh rates of up to 120 Hz, which is twice the standard refresh rate of 60 Hz. sRGB color gamut is still the standard for most computer displays. But the P3 color gamut gives a wider range of colors because it includes more shades of red and green, which can result in more vivid and accurate colors. Using the P3 color gamut, Apple's Max graphic processors can display 1 billion colors, resulting in more accurate and vibrant images. True Tone technology automatically adjusts the display's color temperature to match the ambient lighting in the room. This means that the display's colors will look more natural and comfortable to the eye. True Tone technology can also help reduce eye strain and fatigue caused by viewing a display with an overly blue or yellow color temperature. Most laptops today are sold with a pre-installed operating system. This laptop comes with the pre-installed macOS Ventura operating system.
This laptop supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 standards. The laptop also comes with a range of ports for your peripheral devices. On the right side of the laptop, you will find the HDMI 2.1 port. Through this HDMI port, you could connect additional displays to your laptop. You could connect displays with the resolution of 8K and the refresh rate of 60 Hz. Or, you could connect displays with the resolution of 4K and the refresh rate of 240 Hz. On the right side of the laptop, you will also find one Thunderbolt 4 USB-C port and one SDXC card reader slot. On the left side of the laptop, you will find the MagSafe 3 port for fast charging, two Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, and one port for the 3.5mm headphone jack. This laptop comes with the integrated 70 Wh lithium polymer battery. The battery life for this laptop is up to 18 hours. However, the battery life may vary depending on the applications being used. Nevertheless, the battery life on this Apple Mac laptop is longer than battery lives in Windows laptops. When unplugged from the wall, this Apple Mac laptop can still run applications at full power. The performance does not degrade when running on battery alone. This laptop also comes with the 96W USB-C power adapter, which allows for fast charging. The power cable is USB-C to MagSafe 3 and is almost 7 feet long. The battery works with line voltages between 100 volts to 240 volts AC, and the frequencies between 50 and 60 Hz. Finally, this laptop comes with a built-in high-definition 1080-pixel camera. This laptop also comes with a 6-speaker sound system that has wide stereo sound and force-canceling woofers. The sound system supports spatial audio for playing music or video with Dolby Atmos on built-in speakers. Spatial audio system supports dynamic head tracking when using AirPods, 3rd generation, AirPods Pro, and AirPods Max. The microphone integrated in this laptop is the studio quality 3 mic array with high signal-to-noise ratio and directional beamforming. Weighing in at just 3.52 pounds. And with the dimensions of 8.71 inches in length, 12.31 inches in width, and 0.61 inches in height. This Apple Mac laptop is highly portable. With its powerful M2 chip, plenty of working and storage memory, along with powerful and advanced display features, this Apple Mac model may just be the perfect laptop for your needs. Thank you for watching our video about Apple 2023 MacBook Pro Laptop. How did you like our presentation? Please write down in the comments section below if you have any questions or suggestion related to the topic covered.